Okay, we're at Anini-Y Town Hall. Right there, Anini-Y. And then their plaza right here. Grabe yung solo ride natin. Woo! Alam nyo guys, yung dinaanan natin, if ever na mag-arrive tayo sa Antique, it's halfway of the Panay Island loop. So if i-continue pa natin, the road will connect to Buruanga, Kalibo, but it's gonna be far. Halfway na tayo from our destination earlier, kaninang umaga, sa pupuntahan natin ngayon. So ayan, just so you know kung gaano kalayo yung nilakbay natin. But anyway, grabe dito guys, ang daming butterflies talaga. Yung iba, nagsasplat na sa helmet ko, pati sa jacket ko. Buti na lang nag-jacket ako. Oh my god, ang ganda talaga. Siguro it's the effect of the COVID na walang pollution from cars, transportation, mga ganyan. Kaya sila bumalik. So that's the silver lining of COVID-19. Nare-restore yung balance ng nature. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kinabahan ako doon Ganda ng view. Oh, piyak man ni popcorn. Ayan, ito na. Oh my god. Okay, then we're gonna climb here. Ayan, sira yung road. Wow, fire tree. Gusto ko talaga yan. Oh my god, bakit may checkpoint dito? Tapos meron pang ganito, sanitation area. Banta ko dumaan dun. We're still continuing on the coastal road. As you can see, ganda na twisties dito. Woo! Wow! Yan. Woo! Look at that. Wow! Ganda. Ganda. Wow! Yan, coastal waters again, guys. Grabe, ang dami talagang butterflies. First time ko nakita ang dami, except sa mga butterfly farm. Dito ang dami talaga Ayan, medyo sa plains na tayo. Oh, tae. Magta-top speed sana ako. Ay nako. Okay, so dito tayo sa left. This is actually a mini Plaza for Tobias Fournier. Na nakatikin sa iba, malakad sa gitna ng daan. Ay nako. Ganda. Ay, ito pala yung ano, Or Resort. Yan, Or Resort. Nakapunta na kami dyan. Okay, thank you. Come again. Tobias Fournier. Let's go. Ayan o, Or Resort. May pool dyan. Wala lang, gusto ko lang mention. Okay guys, so medyo white kalsada dito. Pero yung tuhod ko masakit na. Kailangan ko ata i-stretch. Hello. Dito na tayo guys. Medyo malapit na. It's 7 kilometers and shit. Ayan, welcome to Barangay Pundasyon Hamtik Antique, yo. Ayan, just up ahead, San Jose. Okay, so dito na tayo. Kailangan ko mag-search kasi nawala yung mga kasama ko. Okay guys, nandito na kami. So ito yung Eagles Inn. We're gonna stay here. Okay, so tingnan natin yung booking natin. Okay guys, so ito yung Eagles Inn. Sakit ang likod ko, tsaka yung tuhod. Okay, so check mo na naman yung ano, yung reservation. Yan, yun yung cameraman namin. Okay, and then we're gonna go up to the room. After that, siguro lunch, and then we're gonna go to the Esplanade. Okay guys, so let's go. Okay guys, what's up? We're back. So earlier yung ginawa namin, we have to wait for like around 3 hours before nag-check-in kasi 2 o'clock pa yung check-in time. So yung ginawa namin, nag-lunch muna kami and then pumasok sa loob, tapos nag-rest for a while and then we're back right here. So right now punta kami ng Esplanade, hopefully to fly some drones, get some good shots and then sunset. Okay, so let's go. Yan, so yung beach is just opposite of this road. Yung problema lang, medyo block yung mga area, so we're trying to go around. Yan. Okay, so we're here na guys. Okay, so ito na yung Esplanade. Hindi pa accessible sa mga motor, bike lang. Tsaka ayan, hopefully we can get that sunset right there. Okay guys, so let's go. Okay, so dyan lang muna si empty. Oh, gini-empty, oh my god, suplado, pagod. Okay, we're gonna go here. Okay guys, so ito yung Esplanade. Wow! So ginagawa pa, hindi pa masyadong pumapasok yung mga bikes. So mula doon hanggang dito, papunta ata sa sa main town. So ayan, makikita nyo ang ganda ng view. So hopefully makakuha tayo ng sunset. And then right now, I think we're gonna go ahead and fly some drones. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so may problema tayo. Kita nyo, authorization zone, ayaw mag-take off ng drone natin. Okay, so nakalimutan ko, malapit pala tayo kanina sa sa airport. So nasa restricted zone tayo. So malapit sa airport, di tayo pwede magpalipad ng drone. Oh my god. So yung gagawin natin, siguro magta-timelapse na lang tayo sa sunset. And then siguro tomorrow we're gonna figure out where we can fly the drone. If there's any place here that worth some drone shots in Antique. If one of you guys are from Antique, comment down below on the areas that we need to go worthy of motovlogging and drone shots, of course. Okay, so let's go, let's watch the sunset. Ayan, parang uulan at umaambon na. So we're gonna head back kasi baka mabasa yung equipment. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna hide the GoPro, baka mabasa. And then we're gonna head back to the hotel. And hopefully we can get some astro photography later kay Jan. Siya yung nag-aano ng thumbnails ko at the same time. Meron siyang Instagram for astro photography. So follow niyo siya guys if gusto niyo mga ganyang shots. Okay, so dito lang tayo and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning on the sunrise. Okay, bye.